Hello viewer. Welcome to HKR Trainings YouTube channel. In today's class, we are here to discuss about what is Tableau. Nowadays, all the organizations are handling large volumes of data. So performing data analytics will be a toughest job. Hence, there is definitely a need for a platform that helps in performing the analytics easily, for determining the success of the organization. Tableau is one of the data visualizing tool that is used for simplifying the raw data into easily understandable language. The data visualizations are visible in the form of worksheets or dashboards. Before we get deeper into Tableau, let's look at the agenda for today. In this video, we will learn what is Tableau, why Tableau, features of Tableau, Tableau product suite, careers in Tableau. Through this video, you will get an idea about Tableau and its importance in the current market. But, before we proceed to discuss more about Tableau, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. What is Tableau? Tableau is significantly a powerful tool in the business intelligence industry. It is the fastest tool that helps in creating the dashboards and provide the valuable insights that help in driving the organization. Tableau is capable of working with any kind of data, structured and unstructured data. There is no need for any technical knowledge to work on Tableau. A basic level professional will be able to understand and gain an insight through it. A business analyst is the one who is involved in investigating any kind of pattern, flow, insights or trends from the available data and also capable of predicting or concluding any kind of problem. Why Tableau? Most of the organizations chose Tableau over the other platforms for data visualization. As visualizations are represented in the form of worksheets and dashboards, the data can be analyzed quickly, when compared with the other tools. Tableau provides valuable insights and help in driving the business forward. All the products in Tableau are capable of operating in virtualized environments. Features of Tableau. Let us discuss about the features of Tableau that make it unique. Tableau dashboards. Tableau dashboards are used to provide a simple and clear view of the complete data either in the form of stories, visual objects, visualizations, texts, etc. The dashboards in Tableau are quite informative and provide multiple formats and layouts, allowing the users to deploy the filters. Data sources. Tableau is capable of providing multiple data source options that range from small files to big data, high volumes of data like relational and non-relational databases, on cloud data. Security. Tableau is more keen about user and data security. It has permission systems and authentication processes for connections between the data and the users. It is also capable of integrating with other security protocols like Kerberos. Sharing and collaboration. Tableau is capable of providing multiple options to collaborate the different sets of users and also share the required data instantly, which is represented in the form of sheets, forms, dashboards, etc. Advanced visualizations. As Tableau has gained popularity for its capability to provide a wide range of visualizations, it is capable of representing the data in the form of charts like pie chart, bar chart, bullet chart, tree map, histogram, etc. Ask data. This is one of the important features which allows you to type in a query in the natural language and will provide the relevant answers to your queries. The answers will not only be represented in the form of texts, but also in the visual format. Tableau Product Suite. The Tableau Product Suite includes Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Tableau Reader, Tableau Online, Tableau Public. Let us get a deep idea on the products available in Tableau. Tableau Desktop. The product named Tableau Desktop will allow the user to code and modify the reports. Right from the creation of the charts and reports, and combining them to form a dashboard, every little work is done in Tableau. The Tableau Desktop is further divided based on the data sources and connectivity. Tableau Desktop Professional, Tableau Desktop Personal. Tableau Reader. Tableau Reader is a product that allows the users to view the workbooks and visualizations using Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public. In the Tableau Reader, the modifications are limited and the data can also be filtered easily. There is no security in Tableau Reader as everyone can view the workbook. Tableau Server. All the workbooks and visualizations will be accessible to the users once the data is uploaded in the servers. The security is high in Tableau server, as they use the user credentials to view and access the data. Tableau Online. Tableau Online is simply called as an online sharing tool which works similar to the Tableau server. In Tableau Online, the data will be managed by the Tableau group instead of the servers. There is no storage limit for the data published in Tableau. Tableau Public. The Tableau Public is a basic version used for money-saving users. The worksheets cannot be saved locally, it can be accessible to the public when the data is sent to the public cloud. Hence, it is considered as the basic economic version. Careers in Tableau. There are many different opportunities available for the aspirants who are looking to pursue their career in Tableau. The salaries offered to the Tableau aspirants and experts is high, due to its intense demand and scope in the future too. The salaries offered to a Tableau expert is ranging from 4 LPA to 14 LPA, with an average salary value of 6 to 7 LPA. I think you have now got a clear picture on what is Tableau. If you are looking for a strong career, then Tableau is one among the best platforms. Give us a thumbs up and do share this video with your friends. If you are watching the videos for the first time, do not forget to subscribe our HKR Trainings YouTube channel. To receive notifications about the upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon. For latest updates and blogs, follow our social media platforms. If you are interested to learn Tableau and prosper your career, please visit www.hkrtrainings.com.